Hey y'all, so I'm back with another hairstyle. I'm about to do a silk press on 4C Natural color treated hair. I did this color a while back, and I'm also going to add 2 microlink wefts in her hair for extra volume and dimension. And this right here is my own hair care line, Main Beauty. I use these on my Silkpress must-haves. I use all these products on all of my clients every time. It's hair oil, leave-in conditioner. I have a Silk Shine and heat protecting spray and an edge control, and I use them every time and suggest them for aftercare. These are how I achieve my results and just the growth and everything, and it's my own formula, created and made with love. Okay, so check your girl out, and that's mainbeauty.com, and I also sell in the salon as well. So I am just finishing up her trim. You know, we keep a healthy head of hair around here. And now I'm about to install her microlink wefts. Like I said, she's going to get 2 rows. And it's just going to come in handy because we're about to add some dimension to her color. You can add highlights, lowlights, or whatever without damaging the hair. This method is very lightweight, less tension than braiding, and you get way more versatility with your hairstyling. And it's like a favorite.
It ain't the motherfucking look, bitch. It's me. I body every fucking thing I got on. You crazy? You crazy? Like, I be trying to stay humble on you bitches, but I really need to just, like, feel myself a little bit real quick. Like, hold on. Yeah, really that girl. In real life, bitch.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe, ducking homicide, la homie wanna slide, I never testified, your crew get crucified.
It's giving black girls with long hair. Hashtag. Hashtag that.
So one thing about me, I am for sure gonna get the job done. We gonna crack a joke and we gonna have a good time. I'm gonna tell you what to do and what not to do. The aftercare, I'm gonna shampoo and wash your hair. I'm a real hairstylist and I'm in LA. So y'all better get y'all one of those.